A team of 20 Lokayukta officials raided residents of various alleged corrupt offices across Karnataka for having disproportionate assets today. In Bengaluru, several officials led by police Ashok K leaped forward with the search and raided Ajit Rai's residence, who is Tahsildar from KR Puram. His residence and 10 other places that belonged to him was investigated as part of the raid. Cash, movable and immovable assets were seized as part of the raid, and Mr. Rai has been booked under DA case and further investigation is awaited. Similar raid was conducted at Assistant Engineer of Panchayat Raj Department Puttaraju's residence in Tumkuru. Officer Kodanda Ramaya, who works for Karnataka Renewable Energy Development, had his residence raided too for illegal property acquisition by Lokayukta officials under the direction of Kolar Lokayukta SP Umesh. 5 places, including a house in Kuvempu Nagar and Kolar, were raided too. A raid was also conducted at house and office of Assistant Director for Raichur District Urban and Planning Unit, Sharanappa Madiwala. Farmhouse on Naganahalli Khandala Road in Kalburgi was raided. Office and house in Sindhanur town was too. In Bagalkot, raids were also carried out by teams led by Lokayukta DSP Pushpalata at the house of Joint Director of Agriculture Chetana Patil and Assistant Director of Agriculture Krishna Shiruru. Both are residents of Vidyagiri. 2 turtles were also discovered at Chetana Patil's house, and Forest Department was informed about the same.
ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ ಕೆಸರಡಿಗೆ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್
ಕರಾವಳಿ